So what we're looking at here is these Rockler drawer front installation clamps. Just picked them up today because I have quite a few of these projects coming up, and I've had this one waiting for me for a while. So just to look at it, see you have a clear left and right clamp, and then you have a system to help clamp it to the actual drawer, and then the clamp itself to hold to the drawer as well. And then you have these two stoppers out here. Now the stoppers come with a nut here, so you can make sure that this stays where it needs to. And then you can make sure that your drawer side, your drawer fronts have the same overhang no matter what drawer you go ahead and do. The one thing is it doesn't have a way to set this gap, so you will need to do that. Literally all I did was I took one of my squares and I locked down. I have a very little overhang on this one, but that way this is locked in too, so I could set it here, set the depth once it was good, and tighten this down. So all in all, the project went over real well, and then I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. Here's the two drawer fronts. Still got one more to do over there, and then I did the other three over on the other side right now, and I just got to add the hardware. But you can see that real nice, same level, and then same gap on each side. So worked real well, looks good.